My name is Alexander and I'm going to present this place called the Chair of the Knight of the Virgin. The Chair of Knight of the Virgin is located in El Retiro, Antioquia. From Medellin drive toward El Retiro and follow the route to Los Salados. The route becomes narrow and still near the church. You can also enter Church of the Knight of the Virgin in Google Maps Ways or Guides. The Church of the Knight of the Virgin in El Retiro stands out for its neo-Gothic architecture and its peaceful spiritual atmosphere. Surrounded by nature in four beautiful views and is an ideal place for prayer, reflection, and religious tourism. Its stained glass windows and carefully designed interior make it a very photogenic and pleasant place to visit. Its neo-Gothic architecture makes it look like a Lowry and castle. It was built by the Knights of the Virgin, known for the medieval style. It is located on a hill with beautiful views of eastern Antioquia. It is pilgrimage site and received many visitors on weekends. We invite you to visit the beautiful Church of the Knights of the Virgin in El Retiro, a place that will amaze you with its Gothic architecture and peaceful atmosphere. The your visit you will enjoy spectacular scenery, explore a temple full of details, and experience a unique spiritual moment. With a short this destination will become one of your favorites and will inspire you to return. It would be a visit truly worth taking.